One of the fundamentals in cloud computing is understanding capital expenditure and operational expenditure, also known as CapEx and OpEx. Capital expenditure is the traditional IT approach where a company spends a large amount of money upfront to buy infrastructure like servers, storage, networking equipment, and sometimes even entire data centers. As these resources are owned by the company, it provides full control over how they are configured and used. However, the company has to take care of maintenance, upgrades, repairs, power, cooling, security, and everything needed to keep the system running. Also, businesses need to estimate demand before investing. If they guess too low, they may struggle when usages increase. If they overestimate, they end up with unused hardware, which means money is tied up in resources that are not fully used. But if a company has stable and predictable usage, or if it needs full control, customization, or strict compliance, owning infrastructure can be a strong option. In some long term systems, capex can be even more cost effective because the same investment is used over many years. On the other hand, operational expenditure is the cloud based approach, where instead of buying infrastructure, you use services and pay only for what you consume. In platforms like Microsoft Azure, you can access computing power, storage, and databases on demand, and you are billed based on actual usage. There is no big upfront cost, and resources can be scaled up or down instantly depending on demand, which allows companies to start small. In real world scenarios, companies usually don't choose just one. They mix both models depending on what they need. Stable workloads may stay on owned infrastructure, while flexible or unpredictable workloads move to the cloud. This balance between capex and opex is an important concept because it shows how cloud pricing works and how real businesses decide what to move to the cloud.